Hey guys, this is Second Gen 1, so I bought my fourth Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge from Souq.com, in other words, an online site. Anyways, enjoy watching this video. We'll not be explaining the unboxing, you have seen already many, so we'll just add some cool music and you can enjoy watching the unboxing.